Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on registration for NSSB Combined Uniformed Service. So go to NSSB Nagaland. NSSB Nagaland Javijde, you can go to the official website of NSSB Nagaland registration portal. You can log into your profile if you have applied for early exam or the new circulator. You can register. Register gonna you have to upload your photo, your signature, and full name. Tuila details can kiki ase. Correct TV phone number kan or email verify with your email. If you have given previous exam, you can log in with your previous credential. Login gray, you enter your email ID. That is, I'm entering here. Jack Sawyer certificate. Dodo ini dummy mail as ini. And just type your password and click on I am not a robot. Oh, I'm not a robot. Gonna login gray. And after logging in, you will be directed to the portal. So the portal which there you can see that in the examination portal they click करना, you go to view details how which there you see the information itu kiki pay करना जा your necessary qualification kumba do class 10 class 12 or graduation करना देगे. So according to that you have to verify. Alright, you have to click on all the posts that we kushibai, that is you are eligible for and you're interested. So after clicking it, you go to you see the vacancy, click on confirm and proceed. After this, you'll be directed to the age relaxation. Suppose to be 35 years old, so you can see even if you're eligible or not. Or to post kan if you're a government employee, click yes and go to check eligibility and proceed the payment. It is exam center preference to tuila khushi ase tui suppose chumukiti work kuti teklibe use choose as your first preference and second preference to osorola and go to close proceed payment. Proceed payment obviously you clearly see the instruction or you have to wait for at least 25 seconds to see that tuila details to tick tock asna na you see. After this you wait for 25 seconds and you see the instructions carefully. The instructions kiki puri aro itu galti nishna feel kurishikle you click on cross button and after this you go to proceed to pay rupees 300. So itu 300 obviously itu 310 is also and you can click on net banking anything, wallet or QR anything, and you go to click payment of rupees 310 to Google Pay and this can be done by mobile also, but I will request you to do through computer. It will be very helpful and easy. Or you can also pay through Google Pay also and through net banking also. So with this, the video on registration for NSSB Combined Uniformed Service is completed. Thank you all and all the best for your exam. Thank you.